closer, Auntie wants to show you something about this girl, Abena. She's 20, Ghanaian, and always hearing people say, AI is not for you. One day, she hears students talking about Canva and AI, and she rolls her eyes. But later, she finds a simple tutorial, no coding, no laptop, just steps she understands. So she gathers courage and taps that little AI button on her Android phone. Aha, her first design. My dear, it's not all fine at all. But she didn't give up. She checked Pinterest, used Remini, and tried again. When she improved, she posted on WhatsApp, flyers, 20 CD, fast delivery. Before she could blink, first order dropped, just like magic. She rushed to work immediately, tapping fast like assignment is due. Then her phone froze, completely. Froze like ice water. But Abena stayed calm, restarted, finished the design, delivered. And before the day ended, she made 100 CD. Small but powerful victory. Her data was renewed, her confidence returned, and her mind opened. So before you say AI is not for you, look again at what Abena did.